Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to upload image and remix it into Midjourney. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to upload an image and remix it into Midjourney, you just simply have to open your Discord, then after that open this Midjourney bot. And now after opening the Midjourney bot, just simply tap into this plus icon at the bottom left corner in order to upload a picture or image. And after that, select the image that you want to upload and then click to this send button. Now, you will just simply have to tap into that image, and after that, you will get this remix button at the top right side. Just simply tap into that remix button in order to remix your image. Tap into that button and you will get the option of crop, brush, text, emoji and tag. Just simply customize or remix your image as your preference and then click to send button up here. This way you can very easily remix and upload image into your Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.